Hello Year 7 and welcome to today's drama lesson. Your first task is to complete the retrieval quiz. Number 1. What is narration? Number 2. What is a freeze frame? Number 3. What is a step out? You should write directly on the sheet and write in full sentences using the appropriate key terminology. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to write down your answers. Answers to the retrieval quiz. Number 1. What is narration? This is where a narrator tells the audience what is happening in a scene or performance. Number 2. What is a freeze frame? This is a frozen picture which is used at the start end of the scene or to show an important point of a performance. Freeze frame can also be called a still image or tableau. Number 3. What is a step out? This is when actors step out of a still image and speak their character's thoughts to the audience whilst the rest of the characters are frozen. Please fill in the correct answers on your sheet, then stick your sheets in your book. Today's outcomes. What? Explore the theatrical device of a sound collage in conjunction with a role play. Why? To understand how a sound collage can be used to show location, set the mood and atmosphere of a piece of theatre. Sound collage. This is a technique where sounds are layered over each other to create a kind of sound picture. They could be recorded, vocal or played by musical instruments. The most effective sound collages use sounds of different volumes. Sound collages are a great way of capturing what. Have a think about it. What could a sound collage capture? What could it tell the audience? Here's a clue on the board. Have a think about it. What are the missing letters to this clue? Sound collages are a great way of capturing what. If you have an idea, talk to the person next to you. Share with the class. Sound collages are a great way of capturing, and the answer is atmosphere. Task. Listen to this sound collage. Where do you think the scene is set? We are then going to recreate this location, so whilst you're listening to the clip, think of your own sounds that could be used to show this location. Where was this scene set? Share your ideas with your teacher. This scene was set at a haunted house. Now, think about the different sounds you could use to recreate this sound collage. Raise your hand to share your ideas. What sounds did you hear in the video? What sounds could be added to recreate this haunted house? We are now going to create this sound collage as a class. When your teacher points at you, you will begin your sound. When your teacher points at you a second time, you will stop. When your teacher raises their hands, you will get louder. When your teacher lowers their hands, you will get quieter. When your teacher holds their hand up, you will stop. In your groups of 4, you are now going to have a go at developing your own story. In groups, you will create a piece of drama where you will begin with a sound collage and you will then develop it into a role play set at an airport. You could show the following scenes: checkout, x-ray machines, departure lounge where you lose a ticket, boarding, landing. You need to think about a range of different sound effects and use different volumes and pace. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to create your own sound collage. If you have time, add the scene where you're at the airport, where you can walk and talk as different characters. It's now time for performance and feedback. Remember to give 2 stars, thinking about 2 things that were successful, and 1 wish, an area that you think could be added, changed or developed. What have we learned today? In your books, write down your own definition for a sound collage. I also want you to write down what a sound collage is used to create. I hope you've enjoyed learning about sound collages. See you next time.